Hey, welcome back to Dynamic Conveyor. This video is going out to all you blow molders out there. You're running 24/7. You got a big machine working, and let me tell you, there's 4 things you should consider when you're thinking about getting a conveyor to run your machine with. Now, number 1 is your high temperature. We all know what molten plastic is. It's hot. Well, have a conveyor that's able to handle the temperature. You can see ours are built with this high temperature nylon. You know you're going to purge on top of it sooner or later. Well, this belt can take the heat. It can take 310 degrees sustained. The sidewalls can, everything can. This is built to handle a blow molding operation when it comes to high temperature. It's got to be able to handle the heat. Second of all is the footprint of your machine. Every brand is different. Every brand has different size openings and different capabilities. So it's nice to get a conveyor that fits perfectly into your machine as if it was designed and built that way. And that'll allow you to be optimum, to be able to get it in and out of a tight confinement. Also be able to move it around your shop, take it from one machine to the other, get it out of the way if you have to work on your dies or your molds or work on your machine somehow. A conveyor designed and built for this in mind is really critical in a real world operation. Number 3, let me tell you about double duty for a conveyor. Most of y'all are dropping bottles, tips, and tails. You have to have a separation process involved somewhere down the line. Well, this conveyor will also separate your tips and tails, so it's working double duty for you. Number 4, very, very important, is serviceability, reliability, easy to maintain. Man, you know, you're getting paid for blowing bottles, not for working on conveyors. So you'll notice some unique things about the Dynamic Conveyor Hybrid series that makes it so easy to work on. They're not shut down for hours. Easy to change the motor and the gearbox just with 4 socket head cap screws. A quick disconnect wire to it. Easy to change a link out of the belt if it ever gets damaged. It's not like you have to call out for a service technician to fly in and help you out with your conveyor. So when you need a conveyor for a blow molder and we want to keep you running 24/7, you call us up here at Dynamic Conveyor. We'll build one exactly for what you need.